Most welcome in technology welfare. Let's say in this video tutorial, I would like to show you how you will go for the custom set of a ringtone in any Apple device. If you would like to set as a ringtone of any song MP3 that is available in your iPhone device simultaneously if that is available in your PC or laptop. How you will go for the custom set of the ringtone? Simply just install the software in your PC or laptop. This software download link I have given below the description box. Just you have to click there. You will be able to directly download this software. Now here guys, see at the moment here when I go in a setting, in setting I will click on a sound. In sound see actually when I click on ringtone, see here whatever custom ringtone that I have imported here. So see from here to here. Now one more my initialized song I would like to import here and I would like to set as a ringtone. So how I will do it? So just after installing this software, iTools 4, just you have to click, you have to connect your iPhone device to a PC or laptop. After connecting, you have to go for ringtone maker and just you will have a two option. If you would like to import a song from your iPhone device, you can directly by clicking here you will be able to import. If you would like to import from PC or laptop, so let's see, I will import my song from my laptop. So just now I will select any song. So I have selected this ones. Now it's loading. Here according to your own choice you can select length of ringtones. So guys see here mostly as a ringtone if you would like to set any song, so just take scarcely 30 seconds. So total length of this song is 7 minutes. So just I will select just by playing. Of course you will be able to select your vocal point and here directly don't go for by setting here, just directly increasing and decreasing by accelerating and dwindling. Of course this you can so see for 30 seconds I have selected and just I will go for set to finish and when I will click here, now I will here I have a two option. Directly you would like to see this song WODILHIC, this is my song. Here it's not in a custom here in iPhone, but I would like to show you after saving to a device it will import there. If you would like to save this ringtone on your desktop, no problems by clicking here, but I would like to import this song in my iPhone device and I would like to go for the custom ringtone set up as a ringtone in my iPhone device. So just I will go for save. Now see guys, let's see. Now once again I will go back and I will click here. Now here guys, once again let's see, I will go for here. It has saved finally. Let me once again and I will cut it, let it zoom because it will be a more visible. So now here see guys, once again I will go in a setting. After coming in the setting I will come once again on sound. So let's see sound, I will click on a ringtone. Now here guys see WO and the two times I have imported this song as a ringtone custom setup. So now see here guys, when I will click here, let's see. So guys, according to your initializations, custom ringtone you can set in your iPhone device. Still you're facing any problem to create ringtones, then just you have to write the comment below the comment box and query. I will reply as soon as possible according to the query. So this is all about in this video tutorial guide. My motive, that's how you will go for create a ringtone for your Apple device. So how do you like this video tutorial? Don't forget, leave the comment below the comment box as a feedback, and don't forget like and subscribe to my channel also, because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.